You built a business that you're proud of, but are you starting to feel like maybe it's controlling you? Hi, I'm Veronica Andrade, visionary and founder at OAP. For the past 15 years, my incredible team and I have helped business owners, just like you, reclaim their time, take back control, and build strong systems that have helped them scale with clarity and confidence. Scaling a business takes more than grit and determination. It takes the right operational structure, accountability, and a team of experts working together to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. That's why at OAP, we offer the services of a fractional COO plus a full support team in the key areas of operations, bookkeeping, admin, HR, sales, and marketing. But what is a fractional COO? Well, basically an integrator, a seasoned executive who brings the experience, the clarity, and the strategy to help you turn your big ideas into actionable plans and gets the results you need. Your fractional COO helps build systems, solve problems, create structure, and keep the business growing so you can focus on what you do best. At OAP, a fractional COO works alongside our full support team, and they stay aligned, implementing solutions that set the stage for business success. We believe in creative, customized solutions that gets you the results you want, starting within the first 90 days. Wondering where to begin? Don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way. Start with a free session where we will walk you through our delegation blueprint. We will help you identify gaps in your business, and it will also let you know what needs immediate attention, what needs to be delegated, and what does not need to be delegated. So then you can achieve the vision you want for your business. On behalf of the entire OAP team, I invite you to take the next step and let's build the business and the life you've always dreamed of.